Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at various formulas related to cones. Everybody likes ice creams, right? And ice cream many a times comes in a cone. We also have traffic cones. So let us look at cones. So a cone has a circular base, right? And let us consider that the radius of this circular base is r. And it has some height. Let that height be h. What else do we have? Well, we have a slant height, and that is denoted by L. Now, what will be the length of this slant height? Well, this is just a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem, right? So I can write L square is equals to h square plus r square, isn't it? And therefore, L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. So this is the formula to calculate the slant height of a cone. So now let us look at some more formulas. We have volume. What will be the volume of a cone? Well, if you consider a cylinder with the same base as the cone and the same height, then the volume of the cone will be 1/3 of that cylinder, right? A cone is actually 1/3 of a cylinder. So therefore, what is the volume of a cylinder? Well, it is pi r square h. And the volume of the cone will be 1/3 of pi r square h. So that's the formula to calculate the volume of a cone. Next, we have curved surface area of a cone. The area of the curved surface, right? Well, I'm just going to write what's the formula here, because if I derive it right here, it will take a lot of time. So the formula for calculating the curved surface area of a cone is basically pi r L. Pi r times slant height. Now if you're still curious about how we got this formula, well, if you cut a cone like this and open it, you'll get something like a sector, right? And if you calculate the area of this sector, you'll get the curved surface area of a cone. Now there's a lot more information on the internet. I would suggest you Google that and find out how they derived this formula, right? So we have the curved surface area right there. Now the next formula is of the total surface area, and naturally that will be the curved surface area plus the area of the base, right? So we have pi r L plus what's the area of the base? Well, it's a circle with radius r, so the area will be pi r square, isn't it? Now if I take pi r common, I get pi r into L plus r, or r plus L, right? So that's the formula to calculate the total surface area of a cone. So remember these formulas, we'll be solving a lot of questions. Let us solve a question right now. A small ice cream cone has a radius of 3 centimeters and a slant height of 5 centimeters. What is its curved surface area and the total surface area? Well, the radius is 3 centimeters, so I can write this as 3, and we've been given the slant height. So the slant height is 5 centimeters. Right, so let's calculate the curved surface area. It is equals to pi r L, right? So pi is 22 by 7 times r is 3 times the slant height is 5. So this is equals to 22 times 3 times 5 is 330, and it is divided by 7. And 330 by 7 will give you 47.14 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area. Let us calculate the total surface area of this cone now. So the total surface area is equals to pi r times r plus L. That's the formula, right? So let's put in the values. We have pi is equals to 22 by 7 times the radius of the base is 3 times I have r plus L. So 3 plus 5, right? So we have 22 by 7 times 3 times 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so this is equal to 528 divided by 7, and 528 divided by 7 is equal to you'll get it as 75.42, and the unit will be again centimeter square. So that's the total surface area. So this is how you solve problems on cones. Easy, right?